Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. So today we are back with another unboxing from Masdi, and this time we have both Toyota Land Cruisers. So you can see in the background we have Audi that we have seen previously in one of the unboxing videos. It's a really cool Audi actually, and this Audi actually inspired me to bring a few more models from Masdi. And here's your Land Cruiser LC80 1994. So this one is actually a weathered version. So let's open this up and see what we got. As you guys know, I always try to keep the box intact because sometimes you need them to keep the car, place the car back in it. I'm sorry for this, actually it is quite tough to, yeah, better now. The packaging is really nice, you can see it's totally like safe from both ends. I guess, yeah, that's how it opens. So these are like two different blister pieces. Very nice. And here's your car. Let's see what we have in the bottom first. So we have all the detailings, and there's a spare wheel. We have threads on the wheels here, and all the details of the engine and exhaust coming on the back. Let's put this on the turntable and have a close look. So this is actually a very unique and cool Land Rover. Not Land Rover, Land Cruiser. I really like the color of this car. First thing first, of course. I really like the color of this car. I like the stances, how much we created it. We have front light indicators, Toyota logo on it, and the best part that I like about this car is that it's a weathered version because it is an off-road vehicle, and that's the main reason I bought this. It has all the details you can think of. I've never imagined that a car company like Masdi is going to create something this beautiful in such a good price range. Even though it's an import, it is still not very pricey. I paid like 1500 for this car, and what a cool car this is. So that was your Land Cruiser LC80, and now we have this Land Cruiser. It's LC300. This is actually a modern Land Cruiser, and it's in black. So let's open this one up. I don't want to damage the box, so instead I'll just put this inside and pull it out. Of course I'm going to put these in my collection, and trust me, these are actually really good models. And here's your Land Cruiser. This is pretty heavy. For this price range, this thing is very heavy. Here's your detailings on the bottom. Again, we have the spare tire and all the bottom details, the exhaust coming out here, all the engine details on the bottom, whatever coming. We have threaded wheels, and let's put this one on the turntable and have a closer look. These cars are actually huge, just like the real 164 version of the real car. So yeah, they look cool. Actually, I do not have any Land Cruisers in my collection, the premium ones especially, and I'm really glad that I have added such cool two LCs. This is just black, all black. The wheels look so good. They are like huge wheels for the huge car. You can see the tail light detailed totally. We have the number plate. You can see the logo and everything. Look at the front. The grill, black grill with Toyota logo on the top is also black. The headlights look cool. The interior looks amazing, and it has the heating stripes on the back as well. This is just beautiful and mesmerizing to watch something like this. So that was your unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know if you guys really want to see any other Masdi to unbox. I'll try to bring it on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye and see you in the next one.